Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. I am traveling to Tampa. I am in Tampa actually for the launch of InDrive. Some of you may have seen Adam Warner on our channel a couple of weeks ago talking about InDrive. InDrive, by the way, is a competitor to Uber and Lyft, and they're aggressively launching in the United States. However, they're in 47 countries and 650 cities around the globe already. So they're not a startup. They have a lot of ammunition, and they're coming for Uber and Lyft. I'm going to order a trip actually on all three platforms as a rider. Many of you are going to ask, when is InDrive coming? Like, InDrive to me is a choice, is another tool in your toolbox, not just for the drivers, which is sorely needed at the moment since most of you are thinking Uber and Lyft are ripping you all off. Uber and Lyft are ripping both sides of the marketplace off. So yesterday when I arrived at Tampa airport, I ordered an Uber. After a 20% hocus pocus flash discount, I paid $17 plus a $5 tip, about $22 for a 3-mile trip from the airport to my hotel, where the driver was paid less than $6. Plus the tip obviously made it worthwhile to him. But InDrive may solve a lot of the problems that you all feel, such as take rates, high take rates. InDrive's take rates are not high. After they provide you with period 1, 2, and 3 commercial insurance, their take rate is 10%. So the hocus pocus 70-30 split Lyft is boasting about is truly not that. But what it is that it's true in InDrive's case. So look, this is another tool in the driver's toolbox, but this is also another tool in the rider toolbox. Competition is necessary, I believe. Competition will make things better for both sides of the marketplace, the rider and the driver. So today, InDrive is launching in Tampa. They already are in Miami. They're already on Fort Lauderdale. They are taking market share from Uber and Lyft. So I'm going to show you all how to order InDrive, and not only that, compare it to Uber and Lyft. I'm definitely going to wait for the InDrive car. Now, they soft launched in Tampa. I may have to wait for a car, but they hopefully have enough drivers for me to get picked up. Yeah, it's another choice for drivers. It's another choice for riders. Competition is welcome, and I'm all for more choices where the system is fair. So with InDrive, the rider pays less. Actually, with InDrive, the driver is almost, I'm saying almost, a true independent contractor where they can come back with their own offer to the rider. Well, you all will see how the process works. Actually, I just downloaded the app as a rider, put my credit card in, and let's see how this goes. So let's go to Uber first. The event is at Riveters in Tampa, so I'm about, I would say, 1.5 miles from the location that the event's at, which I'll be in a couple of hours. So let's go to Uber. Okay. All right, so I'm going to Riveters in Tampa. Click on that. Gathering information. Ah, there we go. And then more hocus pocus discount. So 20% promotion applied. Uber is charging on UberX, which I'm going to order the same type of car. Although on InDrive, you do have the choices as comfort or bigger cars, XL cars as well. But I'm just myself. So Uber before a discount is $9.17. It's going to pick me up in 1 minute. Look at all those drivers on top of me, as you guys can see here, right here. Okay. And after the discount, it's going to be $7.34. The trip is about 1.5 miles away. How much do you think the driver is going to make? I'll bet it's $3 or less. All right. So that's Uber. Let's go to Lyft. Okay, I already pre-populated Riveters in Tampa. Let's see what Lyft is going to charge. Oh, Lyft on standard is charging 9, just about the same thing as Uber charging before the discount. If I do wait and save, it's about 8. Okay? I obviously will tip on InDrive as well, and then let's see how that process works. All right, so that's standard in 4 minutes. Uber's pickup was 1 minute. Uber is cheaper, so if there was no InDrive, I would have ordered definitely on Uber to take advantage of the discount. And I'm pretty sure Lyft for this trip will also pay the driver something $3 range or less. Now we're gonna go to InDrive. Here it is. Here's the app. Okay. As it says, it's been around for 11 years. So I'm at the hotel. It picked up my location just like Uber and Lyft did. Click on done. Where am I going? I'm going to Riveters. Yep, it picked up already. This is pretty smooth so far. Okay, so InDrive is suggesting me that I offer 7 so the first offer starts with the rider. And you guys are going to say, how does InDrive figure that out? Well, InDrive figures out, obviously, to be competitive with Uber and Lyft. Now, here's the thing. Uber was $8 after the discount. Lyft was, what was Lyft? Lyft was, yeah, on wait and save, it was $8. So InDrive is asking me to do 7. I'm going to go with the wait and save mode, $8. And standard was $9. And on Uber, let's see, now new price is coming up. Okay, $7.34 after the discount. Okay, and normal 9. So Uber and Lyft are about the same price, $9. But Uber's pickup is a lot faster. They have more density. And so I'm going to go tap to offer your fare. So I'm going to offer 8 first. Let's see what the drivers come back. Let's see how the process works. I have never done this. So, and travel time is about 7 minutes, which is, as you guys can see on the map, is about, I don't know, mile and a half away. So I'm going to click the pencil. I'm going to go back and offer 8. Now, out of this 8, 30% is going to, 20% is going to go to commercial insurance and expenses. InDrive will take 10%. So it's a true 70-30 split, actually 71-29 split. And the driver on this, so if you take, let's say 30%, if you take the $8, if it's accepted, and the driver, as opposed to making 3 or less, like Uber and Lyft, is going to make, okay, what's 30% off 8 is about $2.40. So driver is going to make $5.60. So I'm going to pay the same thing or a little bit less. As a rider, I'm going to save $1. And as a driver, the driver is going to make 60% more. Yes, it's a short trip, but for each trip, this will add up for the driver. So I'm going to click done. And then, so here's my new price. I'm going to click find a driver. This is exciting. Finding a driver, looking for drivers. They just logged. There's 2, there's 3. So 4 drivers are viewing my request. 5, 6 drivers. 7 drivers. 4 drivers. So they're gonna either, come back to me. Yanni with an Honda Odyssey accepted my offer. And Rydell with the Acura ILX. It's a 6-seater comfort. So David came back with a Dodge Durango at $9. And Angel came back with a GMC Yukon, obviously the big car, with $11. Well, let's see. I'm going to accept this one right here. Okay, so my offer got accepted. Here comes the driver. This is amazing. And here comes the thing. And I'm going to go downstairs and meet my driver. This is wonderful. I save money. The driver is going to make more. Wow. Impressive. Okay, let me just go. not make the driver wait. Actually, I'll end this video. I'll do another one from the event, obviously, but I'll end this video. Just left the room, walked down to the lobby and get picked up, and Raydell picked me up and take me to Riveters in Tampa. Well, I want to be ready to go. Here's on his way. I mean, this is awesome. So more choices for the riders, more choices for the drivers. Basically, the offer went out to 5 or 6 drivers. They're going to make 60-70% more on this trip. They would have made $3 or less. They're going to make almost $6 on this. Amazing. So here we go. I mean, what else is there to say? Choices are better. Choices for everyone, for the rider and the driver. And if he lets me do it, I'll record a video with him as well. Well, he's almost here. I didn't think I would get picked up this fast because it's a soft launch. Wonderful. Contact driver, safety, everything is in there. He's almost here, and I'm almost down there. I'm gonna end this here. So if you're interested about it, email me, Sergio@RideShareGuy.com. Join us every Tuesday. Show Me the Money Club, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern, at the RideShare Guy YouTube channel. And 2-minute waiting time. I don't want to be a typical Uber driver. I don't want the guy to wait. Alright, I'm going to end this video here. You all be safe out there. There will be more updates. If you're interested, email me, Sergio@RideShareGuy.com. InDrive is aggressively expanding around the US. I think it's a great choice for drivers and riders. Okay, everyone, I'm almost at Riveters. I'm going to end the trip just like Uber and Lyft. And tip, let's see, Raydell. Okay. He says he loves InDrive. He says he's been doing it for a short while. Definitely makes more money than with Uber or Lyft. Well, it's a choice, people. So I'm gonna record until I end the trip, and then this definitely worked much better than I thought for a new app. InDrive redid their app in the US. The global app that they were using was not really working. But the negotiation process, as you guys see, was very simple. So I've saved $1 from Lyft and Uber, and the driver made literally 50% more. Actually, InDrive's advantage is on longer trips, because they don't have an algorithm. It's not a hocus pocus algorithm. There is no such thing. It's a true 70-30 split like the old days. Now, I wouldn't be complaining if I was you drivers. This is a great new tool, and once they expand, stay tuned to the RideShare Guy YouTube channel. We will keep posting and updating. This definitely worked a lot better than I thought it would. 100% better than I thought it would. And yeah, interesting. And I'm at my destination. And he's gonna end the trip, and then we'll see how this works out. All right, we're here. Thank you, gracias, amigo.
All right, man.
Take care, okay?
Have a good day.
All right, you too. All right, so the trip ended. I'm gonna rate my driver 5 stars. and tip him $3. So he ended up making $10 in 10 minutes. This is awesome. And done. And we're done. Wonderful. So, and now on the way back, I'm going to take an InDrive as well. Why not? Keep the money in the local economy, keep the money in the local driver's pockets, clean car. He was Hispanic, he didn't speak that much of an English, but almost a new Honda ILX. Leather interior, clean car. He ended up grossing about $6 on the trip. I paid $8, he made $6. Plus the $3 tip, $9. Tip, $3. You know, it works for everyone. It works for both sides of the marketplace. What else is there to say? We need new companies who are looking out for the drivers, and we need new companies who will save the rider money as well. I think this is awesome. So stay tuned to the YouTube channel, RideShare Guy, Show Me the Money Club. Me and Chris every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern. More importantly, look out for InDrive. They're coming. Listen, I don't support any company that I don't test out and I think is beneficial for the driver. As the voice of the driver, I think this is awesome. And yeah, some of you are going to complain, oh this, oh that. Don't complain. You need more choices. If you want to get off the Uber and Lyft train and make more money, this is a choice. More tools in your toolbox. Stay safe, be healthy, see you around.